So this character, remember, we are with TV series Thomas characters and Molly. Molly is a flip face model custom we are working on. Um, Probably we can change different expressions. Yes, we can. But I like these expressions. We are representing here some different expressions. That's what I like to test. Remember prototyping every day from now on. And like I mentioned before, we're going to follow the list we have for these characters. And so hopefully we can achieve good results. Obviously, prototyping needs to be adjusted, but since we do rapid prototyping real quick, these things, obviously we have a little details that need to be fixed, but so far so good. What do you think?